Hey, good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Got an exciting project here today. I'm gonna go up on the roof, fix long-awaited vent repair. Check out the previous video if you haven't seen what I did a year ago on how I temporarily fixed it, and we'll see how well it held up. Stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Let's check out the temporary fix, see how well we did here. Looks like it's past due. I'm sure the insulation was getting wet. Should have brought a pair of snips along. So I think I can break them off, but yeah, let the fun begin. There's another part of the, yeah, that stuff should have done this sooner. I'm gonna peel back part of the shingles. Roughly the same size. Never measured till now. That's good. Well, one part out. You can see where it's stapled in. Never seen a roof stapled, but this one definitely is. All right, it's one side down, one to go. All right, let's hope that's wide enough to make it all happen. Did not go far enough, so we'll do it again. Guaranteed to fit this time, but this vent goes up in a little further than the last one. That's why I had to take off that extra. Got to drive a couple nails here. There's one right there. So the other one should be about so. We'll caulk this. Hopefully no moisture will get pushed up underneath. It's about as good as I can expect. Time to start nailing her down. Well, friends, that's basically it. Just got this side to do. Hope you found it entertaining and helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like. Thumbs up, please. See you around. Just a little safety awareness here. I'm sure you can see the red strap. Got it tied to a set of steps. There's a banister in there. Don't want it to come out on me. I am working alone today, so. Hey, good morning, YouTube friends and fans.